In this BorderConnect tutorial, I'll show you how to add a standard carrier alpha code to your company profile with a mobile device. Once you're logged in, to add a new SCAC, click the menu icon and click Account. Then click Company Details. This will bring you to the Company Details page. Then scroll down to the SCAC code list section and click New SCAC code. Now enter the 4-letter SCAC and the legal company name that the SCAC is registered to. Then click Save. Here you can see that the SCAC has been added to your list of active SCACs, and you're now free to use the SCAC when creating an ACE shipment in scenarios where you'll be hauling another carrier's shipment. So now let's use this new SCAC on an ACE shipment. Once you're on the Start New ACE Shipment page, and after you select your shipment type, go to the shipment control number field and just tap the SCAC code to change it from your default SCAC to the SCAC that you just added. And now you can match the other carrier's shipment control number and continue creating the rest of your shipment information. Additionally, if you wanted to change your default SCAC code, which auto-populates when starting a new ACE eManifest or ACE shipment, go to Account, then click Company Settings. Then scroll down to the ACE eManifest settings section, and under the default SCAC code setting, tap the SCAC dropdown and change your default SCAC. Then at the top, click Save. Now, when you create your new ACE eManifest or ACE shipment, it'll automatically default to that SCAC code. And to learn how to add a new SCAC code from a laptop or desktop, click the link at the top of the video now.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, click subscribe below or sign up to BorderConnect for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.